Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the primary node next to the modem. That reduces pairing issues and makes wiring simple. Once done, power the modem, wait for internet to stabilize, and then power the node. Make sure you have the Linksys app signed in. This is how you register the mesh and push settings. You will connect the node to the modem via Ethernet, follow the app prompts, and name your network so devices can find it immediately. Once the primary is online, add satellites one at a time. You want a stable backhaul. You should position each satellite roughly halfway to the weak signal area. This balances signal strength and coverage. Open the app, choose Add Node, and follow the LED status cues. Green means good backhaul, amber may mean reposition. Make sure firmware updates complete on each node. Updates often fix stability and roaming behavior, so do not skip them before testing devices. You finish by verifying coverage. Walk the house with a phone, run speed tests near each node, and check for smooth handoffs. If you see weak backhaul, try moving the satellite closer or changing channel settings in the app. Interference and thick materials are common causes. If a node refuses to pair after 2 relocation attempts, factory reset it and re-add via the app. One key tip: always interpret the LED codes in the manual. They tell you why failures happen and how to fix them.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.